Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Ardenne High from St. Andrew up against Westwood High from Trelawney. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. Ardenne High is represented by team captain Kelsey Grant, Derice McKenzie, Shante Blackwood, and Kaif Bailey, while Westwood High is represented by Samoya Miller, Axania Morris, Rena Brown, and team captain Jamela Blackwood. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to the 7th match in round 3 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly, and your judges are Ave McIntosh for the sciences and Theresa Easy for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Ardenne High won. They decided to go first, and so we begin with Ardenne High. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Ardenne, we begin with biology. What is the name of the process in which energy stored in carbohydrates is released?
Respiration.
Correct. Biology for Westwood. What is the name of the process by which metabolic waste is eliminated from an organism?
Excretion.
Correct. International Affairs, Ardenne. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Jorge Carlos Fonseca.
Correct. International Affairs for Westwood. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
John Magufuli.
Incorrect. Dennis Sasu and Gesso. English language for Ardenne. The wind moaned, beckoning me to come outside. This is an example of which literary device?
Personification.
Correct. English language for Westwood. I'm trying to solve a million problems all at once is an example of which literary device?
Hyperbole.
Correct. Music for Ardenne. Listen to this clip, identify the singer.
Monica.
Incorrect. Mary Mary. And music for Westwood. Listen to the clip, identify the singer.
Lauren Hill.
Incorrect. Tori Kelly. Chemistry for Ardenne. What is the formula for sodium carbonate?
Na2CO3.
Correct. Chemistry for Westwood. What is the formula for lithium phosphate?
Li3PO4.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for Ardenne. Look at the monitor, identify this person, please.
Sidney Poitier.
Correct. And theatre and cinema for Westwood. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
That is Robert Duval.
Correct. Ardenne, general knowledge. In which country can you find Europe's first underwater restaurant called Under?
Italy.
Incorrect. Norway. General knowledge for Westwood. In which country can you find the world's first 3D printed office building?
China.
Incorrect. Dubai. Sports for Ardenne. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
This is Anthony Marshall.
Incorrect. Marcus Rashford. Sports for Westwood. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
That is 72.
Incorrect. Anthony Marshall. Mathematics for Ardenne. What are the factors of x squared minus 22x plus 117?
This is x squared.
And the question was attempted after the bell, so we go to Westwood. Judges? Do we go to Westwood to try to give an answer for that question?
X minus 13, x minus 9.
Correct. Your mathematics question, Westwood. What are the factors of x squared plus 5x minus 104?
This is x plus 14, x minus 7.
Incorrect. X minus 8, x plus 13. History. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores at this time are Ardenne High on 5 points and Westwood High also on 5 points. It's time now for the Digicel Viewers question. Our viewers' question comes from the category Theatre and Cinema. The question is, which actor is best known for playing daredevil pilot Stringfellow Hawk in the 1980s TV series Airwolf? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 876-422-QUIZ. That's 876-422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. School's Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.